Today on Vic's Tips is a quick and easy, homemade-ish meat sauce that's simply delicious. Made with ground meat and sausage, it elevates any jarred sauce with a depth of flavor, and it tastes like you spent all day in the kitchen. Served up with some rigatoni, so you get that yummy meat sauce in every bite. You and your family are going to love this super simple weeknight meal. Hey, it's Vicki. Welcome back. You're going to love this super easy, simply delicious weeknight dinner. Just a couple of ingredients and it'll take your jar sauce and make it taste like you were in the kitchen for hours. Let me show you how to make it. All you need is a jarred sauce. Any sauce is fine. I've used just about every sauce there is, and it's all really great here because you're gonna have a pound of ground meat, 2 lengths of sausage, or as many as you like. I wouldn't go any less than 2. I just have 2 left over from something else I was doing. I have an onion diced up, salt, pepper, garlic. That's just to season my meat, and a little bit of basil. And I'm gonna be using rigatoni because it's these pasta shells that have a big wide circle and you get a nice saucy meaty bite. Love that. And that's it. Let's get cooking. It's gonna go so fast. I'm gonna start my pasta water and I have my skillet at medium-high heat. I'm gonna go ahead and add in my ground meat. It's 80-20, so I'm expecting it to be a little fatty, and that's okay. Once you got it all broke up, that's when you're going to season it with salt, pepper, garlic. It's about a teaspoon of salt, teaspoon of garlic, and a half a teaspoon of pepper. It's just going to season your meat so it doesn't taste so plain. Okay, just till everything's brown. Go ahead and drain that. And add in the sausage. Just gonna use a length because that's what I had. So if you make a slice, you just pull it out of the casing. I don't want casings for this particular recipe. I want everything to be the same size, the meat and the sausage. Break that up. Oh, I forgot my garlic. Front row. I'm gonna need a couple cloves of garlic also. Anytime your heat's a little too high, just like it is right here, you use chicken broth or butter. I'm not using any broth today, so butter will do. It'll lower the temperature quickly. You're still good. Butter goes with everything, mostly. That'll work. Put the meat back in. And the onions. See, my sauce is almost ready and my pot still has not even boiled. Season the meat one more time. A little bit of salt, pepper, basil. Put in our jarred sauce. And let's just add a little water because look how much stuff is in there. I'm throwing that away. That's ridiculous. There we go. More sauce. Turn that to low, and we'll simmer it until the pasta is ready. How about that? You're totally like watching this pretty much in real time. My water's boiling. Nice big hunk of salt. Salty like the sea. And the box of rigatoni. Move them around a little so they don't get stuck. Now on your box it's going to say like 14 minutes. No, we're gonna cook them for like 6 to 8 minutes until they're almost done but not done, and then finish it off in the sauce so the noodles will absorb all the juicy sauce. I've actually been cooking for 10 minutes. They're looking bigger. Let's give one a taste. It's really the only way that you can tell. It's hot. Hot, 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 hot. Yep, that's good. I'm gonna put it in my sauce using a slotted spoon. I do that because I kind of do want some of that liquid in my sauce. Isn't this great? Looks like a cat litter scoop. I got it, Bed Bath & Beyond. Love it. It's okay if you don't have one. I've been using a slotted spoon up till now. It worked out fine. These noodles, they have those holes in it. All the meat and the juice just gonna like go inside that. Ugh, my favorites. You see the meat and the juice goes like in there? That's rigatoni. Love it. Great for a meat sauce like this. Let's give it a taste. It's so good. It's warm and comforting, like a little hug. If you tried this recipe, go ahead and give me a comment below. Let me know how it went. Or if you like my video, go ahead and give me a thumbs up in the comments. I love hearing from you, and I love making these videos. I sure hope you like them too. I'll see you next time. That's a lot of cheese.
Next tips.